Here is a video on how to replace key fob battery on Volkswagen Passat B8 and Arteon. 1. Slide the button on the key fob to remove the blade. 2. Turn the blade and put it back into the key fob to open the cover. Push the blade towards the cover to open it. 3. Volkswagen Passat B8 uses a CR2032 3-volt battery for the key fob, which you can find it below in the video description. 3. Remove the old battery and replace it with a new one of the same type and fit it in the same position as the old one. Replace the old battery with the new one within 1 minute, otherwise the key will desynchronize and will no longer work properly. 4. Put the cover back on the key fob and insert the blade back into the key. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. If this video helps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what worked for you. Thank you for watching.